Welcome to the DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download music from SoundCloud to your phone step by step. First, start by opening your Google Play Store on your phone and search for SoundLoader. Download for SoundCloud and search download the app. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. Now go back and search for your SoundCloud. Open it, and let's say this is the song that I want to download. Just click Share and go to More. And search for the app we just downloaded. From here, you will see that there is a small black portion on the side. Click there to download the music. And you can see the download has already been started. Once done, come to your files, and you can see that the song is now downloaded in the phone and it's playable offline, and that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite SoundCloud track anytime, anywhere.